So I labeled X and Y, I labeled my equations, I graphed them, I did everything. What do you have to do for the last point?
You got a solution.
Solution. What is the solution to this equation? I wrote the word solution again, you don't have to, I just find that people don't forget if you make them.
So, after Durant. After Durant. I know all that, but I don't know if it's on. I know that whole area. True.
Number 2. If you didn't remember the lesson on the 18th where it was an infinite number of solutions, you're going to have trouble with this. If you can find your notes from the 18th, it's on graphing, so the very first question is a graphing question. So if you find it, the little shaded picture that I had on there, again, your notes from the 18th, guys. I know it's a pain in the butt. I told you that guided notes, in my opinion, were a pain in the butt for this reason. So if you can find the notes from the 18th and take them out, that would be very, very helpful. On that sheet, it actually tells you what to do. It's a couple questions that we actually did. We can do A together. But you need to know, if it says the word independent, it's where two equations are completely different. It's where they cross at only one point. Dependent is that it's the exact same equation, that one is directly on top of the other. And inconsistent means they are parallel. So, cross at one point, dependent, same equation. I know you want to read this. Inconsistent is parallel.
I'm going to go to 22. But I realized about my own.
No matter what, though, I didn't say without graphing. So whether you graph it or not, you have to get what by itself? Y. So let's do it. How do we get y by itself?
Divide by 2.
Y equals 5 times x plus 3. On this side, how do we get y by itself?
Plus 10.
Add 10x. I'm going to be a brat about it. So we get 10x plus 8. Divide by
4.
what you do to 1.
Divide.
I'm going to delete this class.
What is 10x over 4 reduced to? 5x.
Over 2.
8 divided by 4 is
2.
Now, I noticed that they are not the exact same equation, but they are pretty close. So, since I don't say you have to graph it, my solution would be put them in y equals and tell me what happens. How about not guessing that they're parallel and tell me why they're parallel? They're actually inconsistent. They have the same slope but different y-intercepts. Same slope, different y-intercepts is parallel. Otherwise, guys, put them in your calculator and see what they look like. be parallel. Go ahead and try B.
So, got 2 kids too. Being bad close to each other.
It's because they're only one foot off here.
So this would
I'm sitting
be.
in a second. Today seems, I think, like the longest day I've had so far this year.
Well, like what it is, like 10 minutes.
But that's what I mean, like, not this class, this day. Like, it's shocking to me that it's in the second period.
I keep missing the bus.
That's my daughter.
That's my son.
Where's
Yeah,
Cleveland?
man. Cleve, I think he broke his nose yesterday or something.
You got a baby.
Real for real.
How you broke it? Okay.
That's how it should look.
Look at her ears. You know why she got her ears?
That's it, right?
Oh, she didn't have them?
No,
Oh, I thought it
I
was.
thought she was a little bit.
I was like, I think I'm a little bit. What you mean? Where is it? You went? Where's that? You having a good time?
Yes, boy, it was crazy. They were checking me up the Oak. That's his brother right there.
Cool.
Boo-boo.
Is this your house?
Boo-boo in the background. Yeah, that's my house.
All right.
Try to come to my house, girl.
Why you leaving it?
It's not mine.
Children, I'm waiting.
I'm done.
We grabbed it.
I've been done.
Oh, the next one?
I'm done.
What is B? Let me see, we got y equals 1/2 x plus 2. And y equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. If you go ahead and graph these, they actually cross at 1 point, right? They cross at a point. So if they're crossing, they have cross at 1 point is called independent. So the first thing I'll do tomorrow, before we pass out the quiz, is we'll go over what each of these mean again. And then as soon as you get your quiz, you're gonna write it right above each of those words, right? So that'll be the first thing we go, I'm sorry, and it'll actually be the last thing we go over before the quiz, and it'll be the first thing you write down on your quiz. Everyone go with that? Can I move? Substitution, that's what we just did. What letter are you getting by yourself?
Slide.
No way, Jose. X. Because substitution means you get the easiest letter by itself. By subtracting 3y. Because it says the word substitution, guys, what do you do with that negative 3y plus 7? Plug it in correct. Substitute. Isn't it funny how substitution and you're substituting? Since you rearrange the first equation, you substitute into the... I'm not finishing that. I guess I can, like, out, but... Hey, once you find x, or in this case y, you then have to find x.
No.
Got time. It's supposed to be so warm today. I say that we all take a warm day. Instead of a snow day, we take a warm day, just go outside. Let's go to the pumpkin patch. Field trip.
To the haunted house.
Field trip. No haunted house. I get freaked out really easy.
You want to go with me?
Oh, I ain't go to one.
I don't got no friends to go with.